Want to learn this easy and cute bow? Then see the video step-by-step tutorial. Let's make this bow.
Take a long strand of yarn and then start from mid-strand, make a knot. Just see the video properly and make 70 chains like this. Then make 1 SC and cut the yarn. Tie the knot to secure. Cut the extra yarn and glue properly. Just see the video and like, share and to give shape of bow. Adjust according to your shape. Attach keychain.
Yes, you made it.
I have made this in so many colors. I have used as a keyring in bag also. Just attach pearl with this bow, looks premium on bag. I added the idea to use this cute crochet bow from Pinterest. Go and try. Don't forget to tell me in the comments which one you like the most, which project you're gonna try. Tell me in the comment. You can decorate with this bow for Pinteresty look. You can add cherry and pearl with bow Pinterest-inspired bag. Charm is ready. You can use in your hair. Just add charm in bow end, and this cute bow is here. You can add pearl with bow. You can give Pookie look to your headphones. You can just tie in your jeans to give new look. Thank you so much for supporting.